Right team, move that dial one step at a time. What we focus on is what we care about. That's how we become Ecolab Exceptional. Team Liam, with an exceptional eye for eliminating viruses, we will have exceptional calf care. Team David, with an exceptional eye for teat spray application, we will have exceptional cow care. Team Will, with an exceptional eye for cleaning procedures, we will have exceptional hygiene care. Team Danuka, with an exceptional eye for use rate application, we will have exceptional business care. Team Annabelle, with an exceptional eye for sustainability, we will have exceptional earth care. We know how to win, one small, exceptional Ecolab step at a time.